Good evening, everybody. My name is Jahnavi. I am from Hanmakonda, Varangal. I have completed my BTech in Electronic Communication and Engineering. After my graduation, I searched for many training institutions. After that, I found Vcube solution by friend refer, and I joined in this institution by choosing Java full stack development course. And here there will be two trainers. PVR sir, he has 30 plus years of experience, and Vishwanath sir, he is a project manager. He has 19 plus years of experience. Both they will deal with the Java full stack development course. PVR sir will teach us core Java from basics, and Vishwanath sir will deal with total front end and also advanced Java. Vishwa sir will inject us every topic by real time examples that we never forget again. Before joining in this institution, I have zero knowledge on coding and have feared about Java programming language. And after that, I learned many things here. Now I am able to do all the programming languages by my own. Many of them suggested me don't go for Java. It was very tough. But PVR sir and Vishwa sir made how the programming language is easy. They taught us many things. Here they provide soft skill section, aptitude section, and weekend days they provide mock interviews. And I'm very glad to join in this institution, and I learned Java full stack development here. I'm very glad to learn Java full stack development course from PVR sir and Vishwan sir. Thank you all.